deep pit. Let's draw an excavator. First, draw its tracks. Deep pit, black. Now draw a truck roller. One more truck roller. Black. And one more. Perfect. Now draw a cab with a window. Now the engine. Well done! Draw a boom for your excavator and an arm. And now draw a bucket so your excavator can dig the ground. Great! What an excellent excavator! Check out how your excavator is digging with its bucket.